Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE refrigerator custom cool pan slide rails. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open the package, you're going to get the instructions and the new custom cool pan slide rails. The custom cool pan slide rails are what the pan slides in and out on. The main should be changing it out if it's damaged and the pan's not moving in and out properly. In order to change the part, we have to open up the refrigerator door. Now that we have the door open, we have to take out the custom cool pan. It's located down there at the bottom. In order to take it off, you have to pull it out so we can unlock it from the rails. There's two tabs on each side. You just have to turn those and unlock them. Once you have these two done, you can do the ones on the other side. Once you have them all unlocked, we can lift up on the custom cool pan and pull it out of the refrigerator. Once you have it out, you can set it aside. Now that we have the pan out of the way, we have access to the custom cool pan slide rails. There's one on each side. They're both changed out the same way. We're going to change them both out because they both come in the kit. We're going to use a Torx 20 driver to take out the screws. Once you have the screws out, we can pull the slide rail off. Once you have the screws out on this side, you can pull it out. Here's the old custom cool pan slide rails next to the new ones. If you already have these, great. If not, you can get them at AppliancePartsPros.com. They don't give you the 4 white spacers with the new ones, and they're just taped on there. So we're just going to put some new foam tape on the new slide rails and transfer them over. When you peel these up, you just want to pull them off. If the tape comes off on the block, just pull it off. But you want to put the tape on the new one, just like the old one, so it doesn't cover up the hole. When you're setting the spacers in place, make sure you look through the hole. Make sure you line up the hole with the hole in the rail. Once you have this one done, you can do the other 3. Once you have them on the new rails, we can put them into the refrigerator. When you put the rails in, you want to make sure that the spacers are on the outside and the locking tabs are on the top. Once you have them lined up, you can use the Torx 20 driver to put the screws in. Once you have this side on, we put the other side on. Before you put the pan back in, you want to make sure the locking tabs are in the correct position. You just want to make sure they're pointed to the outside on both sides. Then we can put the pan back in. Just have to set it down over the locking tabs. Once you have it in place, you just have to lock it in so it doesn't move. Once you have the pan locked in, you can just push it in. Then you can close the refrigerator door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.